When we first started working with Acquia, it was to replace 5 legacy CMS systems. We had a very fractured web estate, lots of different experiences for our editors. I'm Ryder-Richardson. I'm the Deputy Head of Web Services and Product Owner at the University of Dundee. Our vision is to try and transform lives locally and globally. We're trying to make sure that we are recruiting the biggest and the best students from around the world. Using the Acquia CMS, and we use the Paragraphs module, our editors are able to build pages very, very quickly, whereas previously it would have taken developers to do some parts of our current build that our editors are able to do. Acquia CMS being open source, there's generally a module available if we haven't written something in-house ourselves, whereas our previous systems were proprietary. So being able to get things out into the open quickly is what Acquia has helped us to do. So prior to Acquia Convert, for our open days, they were on one page on our website. So you'd have to go to that page and know that our open days were on. Using Acquia Convert, we've been able to inject that message right the way through our undergraduate student journey. By using Acquia Convert, we've increased conversions 220% to our open days. So we use Acquia Search, and we were having a particular problem with people being able to find exactly what they wanted to. Because at a university, the word finance might be our finance department, it might be our finance course, it might be our finance team, but by engaging with your professional services team, we were able to work out how could we actually use personalization in with our search. So prior to having Acquia DAM, we had several different systems. We had file shares, we had online systems, different SharePoint channels, OneDrives, everything was everywhere. We've now managed to ingest about 60,000 assets into our DAM, and that process is still continuing today. So from the very start of our project, when we were working with Manifesto and Acquia, accessibility was 100% key to every component and every template that we built. So working closely with that agency, we made sure that our site was fully accessible. Now that we have Acquia CMS, Search, Convert, and DAM, we are looking to our 100 WordPress sites that are still sitting out there and how we move those in quickly and at scale into Acquia CMS.